It is Thursday, October the 7th, and the last quarter is well underway now.
We're underway with anticipation of still October to be a little choppy, but looking for the market, we believe, by the end of the year to be up. We had an interesting and worthwhile hours spent this week in our conference room with Gib and myself and Liz and EJ of our office. On the phone was Phil Orlando, the chief equity strategist with Federated. You know him. He's been a guest for many of y'all at events we have. And let us plug November the 16th.
That's Tuesday night.
Which is Tuesday night, where he's coming again, and he has a brand new presentation. And we went through that, but we more importantly talked to him about the current state of affairs in Washington and the marketplace and choices that need to be made and where we think things will be in the next year, specifically also where in the next 6 months.
He's overweight equities, as we have been, although we're carrying more cash than normal, and I'm very comfortable with that right now with the way things are going. He is overweight small caps, large cap value, and underweight tech, underweight large cap growth. So we've kind of split that, meaning we're kind of equal in blend large cap value and a little less in large cap growth.
He talked about areas we're talking about and looking at with you: the discretionary, the materials, the healthcare, the energy, the financials. Those are all areas to be touching between now and the end of the year. And he did spend answering questions that we get from you each time we meet you about Washington. And he admits that it's just it's a nutcase in Washington, and it has direct effect on the marketplace right now.
In his mind, he thinks that Democrats will lose a lot more seats than they're even anticipating, because midterms usually see the whomever is the president, the opposite party does poorly. But in this case, with Democrats really controlling all of Washington, that at least the House is going to go heavily Republican, and the Senate may pick up a few seats.
He also stressed the fact that the potential outcome on taxes will be an effect to the marketplace. Jerome Powell, either reappointment or not reappointment, will be a potential effector to the marketplace. But he still believes that the supply chain will ultimately get opened. He believes there's a lot of consumer been-up demand still to get out and get going and spend money. And he believes that even though we will not have the fourth quarter we had last year, we will still have a stronger fourth quarter with positive numbers. So he still believes the stock market will be up by the end of the year from where it is right now. We shared with him finally what we've done in terms of taking some money off the table and slowly moving back into the sectors we just mentioned. He certainly seemed to say that that was a sound approach and one that he's using at different levels within his planning. So we felt good about what we're doing.
So mark your calendar, November 16th. You'll be getting correspondence from us soon to save that date. It will be Tuesday, November the 16th, time to be determined. It'll be the evening, and location will be determined.
It's over in Kernersville, we know right now, but
right.
We haven't gotten the final venue yet, so we're working on that. But remember, we're working hard. We're thinking about you just every day, and we know where things are, and we got plans on the table to work, but because we know it is your money.
And your money matters.
We'll see you next week.